Hello guys, this is Amol Jagre and you are watching me on my YouTube channel for Scripting Logic. Scripting Logic is a website for tutorials, forums and blogs. So today I am going to discuss with you a topic. Uh, this is for those who are in a mode of changing a job, right? So I interacted with many people these days, and I realized something. I understood or I realized few common things that everybody is going through, right? So let's discuss these things. So what do a candidate or what do a person who is willing to change a job says every time, right? I'm very much frustrated because of my current job. I want to leave this job. I don't want to stay in this company. And oh no. But sometimes I do got many calls from other companies, but either I don't get selected, and or I don't have a holiday on the day when my interview is, and because of which my frustration is going and my frustration is increasing day by day. So uh, if you are in the same mode, or if you are looking for a job change, then I would like to advise something, or I would like to suggest something. So please stop criticizing your current job. I'll repeat once again, please stop criticizing your current job. Why? See, when you criticize your job, um, when you criticize your job, then what happens exactly? You lose your interest and your energy to do your current task in your company, and because of which your seniors or superiors are not happy. And since they are not happy, they might shout on you, or they keep a more watch on you, since you are not doing work sincerely or regularly. So this makes you more nervous because um, your mind is not prepared to do the work in the current company, but your superiors and seniors are keeping more watch on you and expecting you to work more correctly and precisely, which is very difficult for you in a current situation, right? So this makes your mind more frustrated, right? So you feel burdened and you think whatever I was thinking was right. I must change this job because nobody cares for me here, and this leads a kind of a hatred about your company within you, in such a way that if you are at a point and someone talks with you, or ask you about your company, then you or you omit a lot of hatred, or whatever hatred is there inside you, in front of him. Now this is leading to a second major reason why you should not criticize your company. If suppose you have gone for an interview and you are sitting in front of an HR, and he or she asks you why you want to change your company, then if suppose if your mind if you don't have a presence of mind, or you might put, or you might again omit your hatred about your company in front of the HR, and HR generally don't like it, because you want to change your job because you have uh, um, a lot of pressure, or a lot of botheration in this company, and because of which you are leaving your job. So the same situation may come in the next company, right? You may get more pressure, you may get more work pressure, you may have to extend your timings um, for your job, and there might be many any such situations that can again generate a kind of hatred within you about that company. And then what will you do? What will you do? So now see. if you stop criticizing your company. You will have a peace of mind, right? You will work with interest or sincerely. You will do your current tasks sincerely, and because of which your superior may or may not praise you or appreciate you, but they will not be unhappy if you are doing your job or your tasks regularly or correctly. They will not be unhappy, or they will not shout on you, and this will keep your mind peaceful and calm. Now, with this peaceful and calm mind, you can go happily at home at the end of the day, and then you can approach or and then you can think about your job change calmly. You can plan for it, right? And um, non-frustrated or a calm or peaceful mind can get a best solution. So uh, this was my suggestion to you, that please stop criticizing your current job if you're willing to change your job, right? So thank you very much. uh, if you like my video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/amoluzagre. You can also like my Facebook page, facebook.com/scriptinglogic. If you have any queries, you can always contact me, or you can post your queries on my forums. You have my website, that is scriptinglogic.com. Okay, thank you very much.